Welcome to the second video of graphic design using PowerPoint, and in this video I'm going to show you how I designed my former YouTube channel logo, which is what you can see here. Don't forget to check on module 1 where I shared with you how to set your slide size, how to set icons. I also mentioned some rules which has to do with simplicity, the color psychology and so on. Okay, let us start. For my design, I have a dimension which I've tested. Anything that has to be square, when you use this dimension upward, you're going to get something of high quality. So the first is to set my slide size. I'm coming here to custom slide size. I want to use 20 inches by 20 inches. I'm going to click on OK. So it's going to adjust here. So I have 20 by 20 here with me. And I'm just going to leave this here and press Ctrl D to duplicate just so that you can see. My concern is this new place, is this new slide. So let us go with the slide background color. I'm going to come to format background just to set the background color, and I will select this is the color that I'm using here. So I have this color. The next thing is the text that I want to have there. I'm going to click on this text and I will type D separately. You can see it's very small. Why? Because the template we're working with is very big. So the font size of 18 that will have, be very obvious in the standard size format that you have on PowerPoint, it is now very tiny. So I have to press Ctrl Shift down just to increase the the size. Now I have something like this. Font size, font type is Abadi, and the font color is white. Let me then duplicate this, and I'm going to type here. Okay, I duplicate that by pressing Ctrl D. Ctrl D will allow you to do the duplicate. I also want to make it bold. So yeah. And the next is to type everything analytics and automation. So everything analytics and automation. I'm also going to increase the size just to reduce this, make it centralized, bring it towards this end. Okay, and this color I put something very light that's very obvious. I think, yeah, yellow is good on that. So I have this 3 now. Right. I need the subscribe button. To get the subscribe button, then I have to download it online. I'm going to show you. I have it in my downloads where logos I have. So this is the YouTube subscribe button. I'm just going to copy and paste here. So of course I can crop to take out the white spaces and then reduce the size. Have it here. This I will also make bold, maybe not, but I just want to increase the size. Alright, so it extends there. What else do I have? Okay, I think these sizes are also big. Let me make it big so that I can understand. Yeah. Alright. So I can then enlarge this guy too. Okay, so I have the bokeh, I have the subscribe button here, which is also centralized. How about my icons? I have 3 things, which is automation, Power BI, the touched, Power Apps, and the rest. I have this, and I'm going to have as well, come to a circle. I press down the shift key. That's why the circle is is of equal dimension. That's why it's like a circle. Otherwise it's going to be something over or like this, except you are using the shift key. And for color choice, for my triangle I have green. I'm just filling that with green. Okay, I can fill it with pure green. Yeah. And this I have a better form of yellow. I think this is the guy here. And for that's for orange. For line color, you also need to set it as line color, whatever you are using there, so that I can have, I'm using there, and here I think I have this. Yeah, I think I have this screen. Okay, so there's a way we're going to do it. If you place this thing on each other, you will realize that they are not, they are not coming up the way the logo that I have, came up. And how do you get that? That is through transparency. So if this format background is not showing, if you click here under the, you can see shape format, just open this guy, it will unlock this. And take for example for my circle, I just have to adjust the transparency. You see, as I'm adjusting it, is the other colors at the background have been transparent. If you adjust, say for this, become more transparent, and for this green becomes also more transparent. About the line color, you also need to do same, the transparency for line color. I think this is 44 now. You just have to put this at 44 so that one side is not thicker than the other. This is 24, I'm going to put at 24, and this is 16, I'm going to put this at 16. Alright, so I can then highlight them, Ctrl G to group and place them somewhere. You see, that is not the end. How do you then export this to image that you can relate with? Take for example, just come to File, Save As, select the location where you want to save it. For me, I'm going to save this on my desktop. When you come to Save As type, that's where you're going to choose the image format, PNG, portable. I often choose it because it rendered your image in high resolution. PNG, then I can then say logo recreated. Alright, just that one. So if you have many slides and you've created designs there, once if you say you export all slides, you're going to export all of them as images, but this one has been exported. Let us check it out and see. So when I go to my desktop, you see I have the logo here. I have it here. That is the design. That's the logo recreated. You see, so you can also recreate or do any form of design, and let's see what you're able to come up with. Thank you, and don't forget, if you are getting value and you still want to learn more as to other videos that will be coming on this channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be alert whenever a new video drops. Thank you.